Have you ever seen someone struggling? Maybe carrying something heavy. Maybe trying to do too many things at once. And you want to help them. In American English, instead of always saying, "I'll help you," we often say, "I'll give you a hand." Today, I'll show you exactly what this means, when Americans use it, and how you can use it naturally in everyday English. Let's get started. What does give someone a hand mean? Literally, a hand is part of your body. But in English, when we say give someone a hand, we mean to help someone, to assist someone, or to make something easier for someone. And this is a very common, friendly expression used in everyday life. It's important to note, when you give someone a hand, you can mean either to help someone or to clap, as in applause. Today, we're focusing on the most common one, helping someone. Let's look at some real life examples. Let's picture these situations. Imagine someone is at a grocery store carrying a lot of heavy bags. They're struggling to open their car door. You walk over and say, "I'll give you a hand." This means I'll help you. Now, I want you to picture that your friend is moving into a new apartment. There are boxes everywhere. Furniture is heavy. You say, "I'll give you a hand with the boxes." This means I'll help you move them. Now imagine you're at work and you're with a coworker that is overwhelmed. Emails, phone calls, deadlines. You can see they're really stressed. You say, "I'll give you a hand with those emails." This means I'll help you. Now imagine at home a parent is cooking dinner, cleaning, and watching kids. Another family member says, "Let me give you a hand." Again, this means let me help you. Let's look at a common mistake that I don't want you to make. I don't want you to say, "Give a hand to someone." You're going to say, "Give someone a hand." For example, "I'll give you a hand." Or, "Let me give you a hand." So how do Americans use it naturally? Here are the most common structures. You would say, give someone a hand, or give someone a hand with something. For example, we could say, "I'll give you a hand," or "Let me give you a hand." "She gave me a hand with my project." "I'll give you a hand with that." Now, let's work on the pronunciation. Repeat after me. I'll give you a hand. I'll give you a hand. I'll give you a hand. Now, for more idioms that Americans use every day in English, make sure to take a look in my playlist listed in the description below.